Hi guys, Deco here and welcome to my Gamer Academia. Today, we are going to make a lot of explosions using HDG cluster. I will show you my setup so you can kill monsters in only around 5 minutes using this build. So stay tuned and enjoy. So here is our build. First is the Feline Cannon, which has level shot cluster bomb type and level 3 cluster bomb. It also has 3 one-slot jewel. For the head, we will use the Otsushi mask, which will give us 2 levels of razor sharp and 2 levels of spear sharp. For the chest, we will use the Otsushi chest, which will give us 1 level of razor sharp and 1 level of spear sharp. For the arms, we will use the Rathalos braces, which has 2 level of attack boost, which we can slot in another attack boost to make it level 3. For the waist, we will use the Anjanat coil, which has 2 level of attack boost, which you can slot in another attack boost or 1 quick shift jewel. You will also have 2 1 level slots. For the legs, we will use the Ghost Heracles, which will give us 3 levels of agitator. For the talisman, I have 2 quick sheets and 2 slots of level 2 decoration, which I put 2 attack jewel to make it level 2 attack boost. So in this build, we will have 7 levels of attack boost, 3 levels of spare shots, 3 level of quick sheet, 3 level of free meal, and 2 levels of reload speed and recoil down. We only need level 2 of them and it will not benefit from using it to level 3. To craft the weapon, we will be needing a body ticket, which we can get from the Body Plaza periodically, and a fill-in for Ruby, which we can get from the junk pile of the Fellings and Melings. To make the Otsushi chest, we will be needing a Kamura ticket, which will require you to do some village quests. For the item loadout, we will be needing Gunpowder level 3 to craft Cluster Bomb level 3 and Blast Nut to craft level 1 Cluster Bomb. You should also set up your Radial menu to have access to easily craft level 1 Cluster Bomb and level 3 Cluster Bomb. So to test this build, let's kill some monsters. For this demonstration, I only hunt a low level Rathalos, but for high ranks, you will be needing to go back to your camp and restock your ammo. So for tips before you hunt, you can use a Mega Demon Drag and Might Seed to increase your attack, so you can deal more damage to the monsters. You can also use the Warbag skill to block some monster attacks and roars. This will nullify the monster attack and give you additional damage. You can also craft some cluster bomb during this animation. When you get knocked down, you can use Warbag recovery so your weapons become shit and you can quickly use your items. So that's it for the build. You can continue watching the entire hunt and get some tips on how to use this build. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting!